Are you part of this team where when you're walking in town and you're drawn in by the smells of the hotels that are around there, to just go in or walk in and eat the bhajias or chips? Guys, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Stacy Candy. Well, today I'm not in the kitchen, I'm on the sofa, but we're going to the kitchen after this. I know it's been a minute since we were last there, but we're just about to go there. And we're going to be making something very delicious and simple to make, which is Cayenne Bhajia. It doesn't take so long. And are you part of this team where when you're walking in town and you're drawn in by the smells of the hotels that are around there, to just go in or walk in and eat the bhajias or chips? Well, if you're part of that team, comment down below and you can form a group for that. But for now, let's head into the kitchen. Before that, have you subscribed? If not yet, what are you waiting for? You would have been long subscribed, so click the bell button below to subscribe and to also get the notification whenever I post next time. Haya, karibuni, twende kazi, twende jikoni. For our ingredients, we're going to have potatoes, gram flour, which is the secret ingredient to making bhajia, turmeric powder, cumin powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper powder, and some salt together with chopped dhania or parsley. With our ingredients ready and set, to call them with some swag, and then we're going to slice them into circular shapes of about 1 centimeter thickness. Make sure your potatoes are not too thin while you're slicing them, because if they're too thin, they won't be able to soak in the paste that we're going to make afterwards. Next, we're going to make our paste. And here is where we're going to make use of our secret ingredient, which is the gram flour, by pouring it into a bowl. Then next we're going to add our spices. We're going to add cayenne pepper, garlic powder, cumin, and then turmeric. And then we're going to mix all that in by adding slightly some water and mixing the paste. And ensure you don't add a whole lake of water. Just add slowly until your paste is very thick. You don't want your paste to be watery. Once it's watery, you've lost that game of the bhajia. So make sure your paste is thick. Once all that is mixed in, we're going to add some little bit of salt, then our dhania or parsley, as you'd like to call it. Next, we are going to soak in our potatoes by dipping them into the paste and mixing them with the paste so that it's well coated. And for this, you're not supposed to put in your potatoes at once. The reason being, potatoes are naturally watery, and when you put them all at once, you're going to make your paste very watery and you'll have lost the game. And for this, we are not cooking a nightmare scene, or you're not playing any nightmare part in a horror movie, so make sure your paste doesn't become watery. Next, we're going to deep fry them into already heating oil. Ensure your oil is not too hot or too cold. You just want it to be of moderate temperature so that it doesn't soak up all the paste that has been soaked into our potatoes. Fry on both sides, ensuring that it's a bit golden yellow and a bit crispy and crunchy. Once ready, remove them from the heat, drain the oil, and serve them up and enjoy them with your favorite dipping sauce, either tomato sauce, mayonnaise sauce, or any sauce you make at home. Enjoy your meal. That's it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for coming, and if you have any question or any comment, leave them in the comment box section below, and I'll answer them. In the meantime, go ahead and enjoy your bhajia at home at the comfort of your seat. And next time you feel drawn to eat the bhajias along the way in town, remember you can always make them at home. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day and enjoy your week. And remember to come here next week, same time, same place. Have a good time. Goodbye.